Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So glad you're here. My channel is all about balcony gardening with succulents and cacti and houseplants in an apartment setting. So if that's something that interests you and you want to know more about, please do hit that subscription button down below and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Now today I have a haul for you, but it's not a plant haul. I went out and got some pots. Lot of pots, okay? So stay tuned and I will show you everything that I got. So in our area, Phoenix, Arizona, things are opening up and the retail stores are opening up with certain guidelines and precautions in place. You know, letting in so many people to the store to shop at once, things like that. And the places that I love to go to, you probably know already, is Ross, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. So those are the three places that I went to this week. And I picked up quite a few things. The first place I went to was TJ Maxx. So let me show you what I got there. Now I knew that I wanted one hanging pot, like a 6-inch hanging pot, and I needed at least 3 6-inch size and an 8-inch size ceramic pot. Got a little bit more than that, but we'll get into that. So I found this at TJ Maxx, this hanging, it has the twine, this hanging pot, and it was, now you'll excuse me if I put on my glasses every so often to look at these tiny little numbers. It was $8 on clearance. Okay, and I love the color of it. It is for actually an epiphyte that I have hanging up here, that it's already in a 6-inch pot, nursery pot that's a little bit shallow, so this, it'll fit right into this. And you know, when I water it, just simply dump the water out, the excess water that is in the pot. Okay, that was $8. I thought that was a really good deal. I think regular it was I got it covered up, but I think it was like $12 or $13. So that's the first one from TJ Maxx, and they didn't have a whole lot, so I had to kind of really look. And then I got this beautiful blue and brown. I love the texture of it, and it does have a hole in it with a little catch tray. This is 8-inch, so it's perfect for what I have in mind. You know that I am looking to repot my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. I think it'll look lovely in this. And this one, I can probably read it, was $8 also, regular 10. So not a huge discount. I thought 10 would have been great price for it anyways, but $8 I thought was really good also. And I love the color of it. It's a nice neutral color. I didn't want to get anything with a whole lot of pattern on it, although, you know, I do love Aloe Vera pots, which have a lot of colors and patterns on it. But for this, I wanted to go try and find more neutral colors, not a huge amount of patterns on them. Okay, so I love that it already has a hole in it, so I don't have to drill a hole in this one. That is going to save me some time. And be on the lookout for the repotting of the Rhaphidophora tetrasperma into this pot. Okay, now that was all I found there as far as pots go, but I did find this adorable little metal stand. It's the baby blue color, and it was $5. I thought that was so cute. And I can put this outside because it is metal. It's a powder coated metal, so it's not going to flake off or anything like that. So I can put it outside in my balcony if I wanted to, but I think it will go inside and perhaps maybe even hold this because the width of it is perfect. And show off that Rapid-4 tetrasperma a little bit more. Okay, so I really love this little stand. I think it's just adorable. So then we went next door to Ross. And I'll tell you, people wanted to get into Ross. They have been waiting to get into Ross because there was a line outside and they were letting in people as people come out, because there was a limit of 100 people inside the store. So as 3 came out, you know, 3 could go in and stuff. We didn't have to wait very long. I think it was like 10-15 minutes before we went in. And when we went in, I was so surprised that already there was this huge line that went from the registers all the way back to the back of the store of people waiting in line to check out. Carts full of stuff. So these people have been like waiting to get into Ross. So I went back to where I last saw the pots from the last time I was there, and they had none. Zero. No pots. They had pots that have faux flowers in them, but no actual pots. I was so disappointed. They had a few wind chimes, things like that, but no actual pots. So we left Ross empty-handed. You know, I wasn't going to wait in that line either. It was so long. I couldn't believe it. I think it was worse than Christmas. It was so long. So then we're thinking, okay, what do we do now? Because, you know, we're out. I want to take advantage of the day with my daughter to go out. So we went to Home Goods, not too far away. And there I really paid dirt, let me tell you. So let me move some of this around. And I got quite a bit of stuff. Not more than a little bit more than I needed, but these are definitely going to come in handy as I add more to my collection. And they had so many things on clearance at Home Goods. If your Home Goods is opening it in your area, friends, you really need to check it out, because it wasn't just pots and garden things that they had on clearance. They had all of their Easter stuff 75% off, because, you know, Easter didn't really happen this year almost. And so many other things on sale. But it was fun. So the first pot I got was this little white one with the little cube-like pattern on it. And that one was $6 from $12.99. And I thought that was really pretty. It'll fit I think it's probably a 4-inch pot would probably fit better in here. I think this is more like a 5-inch diameter. I don't know what I would put in this right now. I have to really look. But I'm sure I'll find something. Okay. Now this next one, I really love the earth colors on this. Look at this brown like earth, and then the teal green like water and sky. Oh, isn't that beautiful? This does not have a hole. And many of these are made in Portugal, which I thought was really cool. So, oh lordy, so small. It's hard getting old, friends. It is $8, or was $8 from 10. Again, not a huge discount, but I was happy with it. I would have paid 10 for it. So this was $8. There's no hole in it, so it will hold a 6-inch nursery pot. I just love the shape of it and the earth tones of it. Beautiful. And made in Portugal. I thought that was really cool. Now here's another one that's made in Portugal. And this is a deep teal color. And it does have a texture to it. Very soft diamond texture to it. There's no hole. It's a kind of a rough ceramic inside, but glazed on the outside. And this one was $6, which I thought was like, this is bigger and cost less than the other one. But I thought that these go great together too. So if they're sitting next to each other, they go great. Now this is a bigger one. This is an 8-inch pot. So it'll be a nice big plant that sits in this one. And it's not too thick on the bottom that if I wanted to drill a hole in it, I could drill a hole in it. So it wouldn't give me too many issues. But I don't think I'm going to do that just yet. I'm going to leave it like this and put something else in it for the time being until, you know, because a lot of these I want to wait to once I get started on my plant room, and you know, I can see what goes where, and do I want to drill a hole in that, do I not? So you know, I'm not in a huge hurry for that. Okay, so the next one, I've been really looking a lot for this type of pot with the little stand, the little wood stand. This is sturdy, doesn't fold or anything like that. And this is a cement pot, no hole in it. It's a cement pot, but I love the texture on it. It's a nice neutral color, and it was $15 and I got it for $11, which I know I have seen online and everywhere pots in this format with the wood stand for a lot more, even at this size. It's an 8-inch pot, for a lot more than $11, even $15 for that matter. So I felt for $11 this was a really, really good deal. Okay, great to sit on a table to give a plant a little bit more height than the other plants that may be at the same height. So I'm really happy with that one. Oh, God. Now for the last one, it's the biggest one. Oh, I saw this one at the end. This is a big pot. This is 10-inch wide. There's no hole in it. But look at these cute little birds. Isn't that adorable? That is just the cutest thing. Made in Portugal. I thought these little bluebirds were just adorable. They had another one, same color, background color, and they were little red ladybugs. And I think they may have had one with little bumblebees also. So I thought this was just adorable. And this 10-inch pot was $10. So I have no idea what I'm going to put into this. I don't know that I have anything big enough that can go in here right now. You know what my thought process. I don't have anything right now. Maybe I should get one. So, but I just couldn't pass it up, really. So this will give me opportunity to get a plant that will fit into this. I just couldn't pass it up. It was just so cute with the little bluebirds. So there you have it, friends. I did get more than the ones that I needed, but I'm so happy with all of them. All of them will go into very good use. Definitely, if you can, if you safely can, you feel comfortable, you know, I would definitely recommend Home Goods, probably above all of the stores that we went to. I would recommend Home Goods in having a good amount of inventory and good sales as far as clearance sales and such. But I'll tell you, when you see something and you're not quite sure about it, put it in your cart and think about it, because while I was at Home Goods, I saw another little stand that had like a mosaic top of tiles on it, and I don't know, it was $11. Oh, I don't know. And I set it back, and then I went up around and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go back and get it. When I went back, it was gone, and that was only like in a 10-15 minute time. It was gone. So if you see something, put it in your cart, think about it then while it's in your cart, and you know, if you don't want it, put it back. But things were going fast. They were there were people there, you know, really looking for bargains, and they found them too. So I'm really happy with them. Now, if you want to see some of my haul videos, I'm going to put one right up here that is one of my more recent haul videos, and that shows you some of the plants that I'm going to be putting in these pots, okay? And thanks so much for watching, friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.